If you're considering purchasing a Walabot visual stud finder for your home, you're probably wondering what the differences are between the Walabot DIY2 and the DIY2M. Now, as we scan my test wall with the DIY2M, you'll notice that it gives you a visual view of what's behind the wall. You'll notice it finds the wooden stud, it finds the electrical wire, it finds a copper pipe, another wooden stud, a galvanized pipe, and a PEX pipe, and then another wooden stud. And on the screen, you will see the visualization of exactly what is behind the wall. Now, as we follow the same process with the DIY2, you will notice that it does the exact same thing as we scan the test wall. And with the DIY2, it has a little something that's called Expert Mode. If you feel like you could benefit from the Expert Mode and that radar picture of what's behind the wall, the DIY2 is going to be a great selection for you.